Where's the truck? Where's the board?
Grandpa's truck looked like Santa's sleigh.
Samantha, let's see. Did you see your tricycle? Can you ride it?
Yeah, she was riding it like. I'm up in the circle once.
Merry Christmas, Roland.
When do you want to take this? Or am I doing all
I
right?
wanted this Barbie too. I wanted this Barbie.
Alright, go ahead.
What'd you get, Sammy? Ooh, you got dress up clothes? Yeah. So you don't have to wear mommies no more? Yeah. I got a Barbie. I don't. Let's open the next one. Here, maybe you should open this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
On the top button,
Yeah.
the top one where it says WT, it actually zooms in and out. You just push it to the side. It'll zoom in and out.
Here, Chef. I don't know what to do with this thing.
Ooh, you paint the glass and
Yeah.
it turns into like this. Thank you.
What did you get?
Glass.
Stick it all in your wagon.
No.
Stick all your toys in your wagon. We'll run out of room.
Okay. Let's open another one. You want to open that one? It's too big. I'll open one now.
Here, Poppy, you want to sit in that chair?
Oh, look at that guy.
Oh, bath sponge. Cool.
Yeah. Look at that guy.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
We can use that for trash.
I got. Look at that guy, Grandpa. And nail polish.
That's her blanket.
See, let's open.
It holds 12
Another one.
12
Open
packs.
this one. Oh yeah.
Storage down there.
Yes.
Got one chops too.
Oh yeah.
She's hooking us up. We could go on some trips. Huh?
I got the cotton candy maker. I got a candy maker.
Sammy,
Whoa. What is it?
don't spill the beans. The game.
Huh?
It's a game. We'll play it later.
She's like, oh, that's nice. How about you open this one? Here, open this one.
Let me see. Well, what? Oh, look at all this stuff here you got to open.
Whoa! Open all this stuff. We'll show Papa
You got to get into the greed aspect.
Samantha, put your toys in the wagon so we can get them out of the way.
I don't want to.
You don't want to? You want Grandma to put them over here? Your toys? Okay.
I put mine over there.
Do you know where the stand is for this?
Sure, got nail polish.
I think it's in that
You
closet.
did?
Good stuff. You want to tear that open?
You want us to move your wagon out in the hall?
Oh, Mom, look at this. You make little friends out of like
You see who it is?
Velcro. Yeah, soccer girl.
Soccer who?
Oh, soccer Sarah.
Cool.
I didn't notice the name. Oh, fine. Okay. Whoa. What is this?
It's food. Oh, dragon tails.
What, you got them? I know. You
Open. Let's open it.
Oh, let's open it later. You got a lot of stuff to open up.
Yeah.
You got him the cowboy look too? Ooh, a new harmonica.
I got four. Look, I got a Barbie.
What kind of harmonica did you get? Sammy, we got the same Barbie.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes, we did.
They're gonna be here now.
As grandparents, that's why we bought it.
Got the same Barbie. Let's open it tomorrow.
Okay.
The stuff is in my way.
Two? Whoa.
That's Aunt Nina sent you that.
Oh, because I couldn't read.
Oh,
Oh, that's a big one. I wonder what's in that one.
oh yeah. Oh. Go with me, Daddy. What else is present?
I think you press his toe.
Yeah, it says something on his toe. Yeah, mine gave it to me. But it's too heavy to put in.
Let's open this now.
Let's open this now.
No, it's a baby.
What baby is it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Got to see your potty.
That's a potty. That's a walkie-talkie thing.
Here's a bigger bag of this much trash.
Come on, open it. Open it, open it. Open it on the floor. Oh, God.
Is that the one you wanted?
Oh, there, I'm going right. There go, Daddy.
What is it?
That's hers, and I got one exactly like it too. I needed a lot.
You're doing pretty good, aren't you? You're doing pretty good, aren't you? Yeah, you are.
I got a baby.
Yes, you are. I see it.
Thank you. Again. Got a baby?
Yeah.
Here, this one's from Aunt Nina. Maybe you got a same snowman one, or you got a birdie one.
I got a birdie one.
Maybe open it and see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You want me to come help you?
I don't want it.
Come here, bring it to me.
There you go.
Bring that to me.
Well, where is it?
Aunt Nina get you.
We have twins!
I got a twin.
Here, you want me to put it next to mine?